Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a newly constructed, well-appointed 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house in the elevated area of Waltham, which is exclusively residential. The location of the house boasts magnificent vista of mountains of Manchester as well as other areas of Mandeville. The interior consists of an atrium which opens from the ground floor entrance and living area to the first floor. The ground floor consists of entrance area, living, dining, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a powder room. The first floor consists of a large family room area, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and is and hers walk-in closets, and 3 other bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. There are many secure patios on each level to take advantage of the magnificent views. The carport can hold 2 large vehicles or 4 compact cars. There is a good-sized 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom income earner on the lower level, which has its own entrance and parking area. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.